Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. My name is Todd. So today we're going to do our video. My video is going to be a little bit different. So we are doing biscuits and gravy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate these out into two separate videos for those that just want the biscuit recipe or those that want just the gravy recipe. So let's get set up and let's start off with our gravy. So see you in a minute. Biscuits and gravy, we are going to need a pound of breakfast sausage, cooked. And so we've got our pan heating up. Then we are going to need flour, a 1/3 cup of flour, then 2 teaspoons of ground pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of your favorite seasonals. I'm using Tony Chachere's, and you can use whatever you like. So we're going to start by cooking up our meat here, which is going to take a little bit of time. So no need for y'all to sit here and watch this. So once I get this cooked down, we'll be right back. So our sausage is just about done, as you can see. So we're going to turn this down to low medium, or then we will take our 1/3 cup of flour and add that to our breakfast sausage. I'm going to stir that around, get all of that coated. Then now we are going to need 3 to 4 cups of milk. So we're going to start off with 3 first. One, 2, 3. Set that to the side. Get that mixed up. Then we're going to add our seasoning, which is 2 teaspoons of black pepper and your favorite seasonal once again. So we're going to let this come up to a slight boil and see how thick it is, and then see if we need to add more milk, depending on if it's too thick. And at this point, you can also taste it to see if it needs anything else. Fine. So we're going to let this cook for a few minutes and we'll be right back. So as you can see, it's already starting to get thicker, and so we're probably going to need to add a little bit more milk to it and then let it cook for another good 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to add about another 1/2 cup of milk. So that gives us 3 1/2 cups of milk for this recipe. And we're going to let this cook for another 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and it should be ready to go. So be right back and we'll plate this up and enjoy it. So see y'all in a little bit. So here's our gravy, which we put over our homemade biscuits. And as you can see, it turned out perfectly thick. And so now there's nothing left to do but eat and enjoy. So until next time, see y'all soon. Bye.